In this video, we will discuss tools you can use to address and organize your tribe's needs. We will also go over the role of a digital leader and the infrastructure required for broadband. If your community has specific problems, perhaps these problems can be linked to your community assets in an asset map. This is one way to frame an issue that affects your community. Look at a problem and then see what your group can bring together to address it. You can also use the minus and plus approach. Here, you make a list of your community's problems and strengths in two different columns, and then connect the two with lines. If one problem can connect with many strengths, that could show you an ideal place to start solving a problem. Another tool you can use to analyze your community needs is the force field analysis. Here, you compare factors that are making things better against factors that are making things worse. Then you evaluate if each factor is strong, moderate, or weak. Viewing these forces in this way could help your community see what they should prioritize and work on, and accurately assess how challenging that task may be. Now that we have addressed the issues facing our community and identified the benefits that broadband connectivity can yield, we can move on to the next stage. The Ute tribe of Utah, the Nez Perce tribe in Idaho, and the St. Regis Mohawk tribe in upstate New York have shown great examples of digital leadership. After being awarded federal funding, they work to provide basic wireless to bridge the digital divide in Indian country. You will need a digital champion moving forward to assess and understand the technical and cultural needs of the community. Your digital champion will oversee how these needs translates into technical action and ensure that the project gets completed for the benefit of your community. It is important to have a champion that is a respected or trusted leader or influencer in the community that can speak across generations to inform and gain community and leadership buy-in to the new infrastructure plans. Moving forward, this person also helps community members brace for change. They monitor the implementation and results of the new systems as they compare to community needs, and they can continue to actively sponsor the new systems development. You'll want to foster as many digital sponsors and change agents as you can. This helps to continue the forward momentum in your infrastructure development and community-wide buy-in, and also helps to ensure the widest representation of community needs so these needs can be met equitably. Let's start with some Internet Infrastructure 101. There are three levels in Internet architecture. There's the backbone ISP, or Internet Service Provider, a regional ISP, and the clients that are serviced by the Internet providers. Backbone ISPs are needed to access the Internet. They are international networks that are equipped with routers and can store information in data centers that are connected through high bandwidth fiber optic links. How can a client access the Internet? One way is through fiber to home connectivity. Here, optical fiber is used for transmitting data. This type of wireless connection is used most frequently, as mobile phone subscribers can transmit data in areas with mobile coverage. Fiber to the home connectivity empowers clients with the fastest internet speeds, a more reliable connection, and the ability to stream and load video content at a high quality. One benefit is that it can enable video conferencing that can aid telemedicine, school, and work from home opportunities where DSL or cable TV internet access may be too unreliable or slow to transmit high-quality video in real time. Understanding your infrastructure needs and your current services will help you establish a gap analysis to see what gaps you must fill in your technical setup to meet the community needs moving forward. For example, do you need to upgrade to a fiber network, or can you find ways to enhance your fixed wireless to meet the needs if fiber is not an option? You have established your tribe's internet needs through research and community engagement. You have also analyzed and made plans for how you will undertake this project. Gaining full access and harnessing the power of broadband is crucial in meeting your tribe's internet needs. Here are some other questions that you will want to explore with your community. What technical equipment do you have, and what do you need? Are there grants or other financial resources available to you to fund your development or provide enhanced resources and opportunities? Who will lead your effort? To what degree can you train people within your community to provide the technical staff and support, or should it be contracted out? Are there potential partners from other tribes, local businesses, or other state, federal, and private institutions? Develop a plan, engage your stakeholders, and decide what information you need to gather, how you are going to gather the information, and how the information that you gather will track and inform your success. By using the additional resources available through the Tribal Resource Center, you can gain detailed insight and information to help you through your journey to realizing all the benefits to your people broadband internet can offer.